Get paper and a pencil. Make an unintelligent title and make a fake name for you. Think of an unintelligent plot for your comic, but it has to relate to your title, and while you're at it, think of what your characters would look like. Make sure your important characters are very ugly. Start making panels for your comic. Now you can start making the characters you thought of before. Make speech bubbles for your characters or do it my way. Repeat steps 5 and 6. This is the last step. You write the end really big so it takes up the whole page.